Cells are initially charged to 3.31 volts. Paralleled for 12 hours to equalize the cells. Setting charge parameters of both cells to 15 amperes, but different voltages. Cell number 1 is 3.45 volts, and cell number 2 is 3.65 volts. After 2 hours of charging, results after 4 hours.
Ito yung 3.45.
Cell number 1 is 49.57 ampere hours.
And then this is the 3.65 na charging. Surprisingly, I don't know what happened, pero 44.59 lang yung pumasok. So expectation ko mas malaki ang papasok dito kasi mas mataas yung charging voltage natin. So hindi ko alam ano nangyari, pero inulit ko ulit dito. So sa pangatlong cell uulitin natin yung 3.65. So yung result dito, 3.65 na charging voltage is mas mababa yung capacity na nailagay natin versus dito sa 3.45 lang. So again, this is another cell. From 3.31 volts i-charge natin up to 3.65 at the same time 15 amperes din. So uulitin natin kasi parang unexpected yung first na result eh. Surprisingly, the result is unexpected. Mas malaki yung capacity na ipasok. So that is 49.57 EH. And then dito sa 3.65, 44.59 EH na. And then dito sa second battery, 3.65 din ang max, at ang naipasok is 43.63 EH. So yung dalawang 3.65 max halos magkaparehas lang. Mas malaki pa itong 3.45 EH.